Hey guys, welcome to this video today where I'm going to talk about funnel scripts and give a little bit of a funnel scripts review for you here. So as far as funnel scripts, my first involvement with funnel scripts came shortly after I got introduced to ClickFunnels, right? I completely fell in love with ClickFunnels. I was like, yes, finally a nice easy way to to build funnels fast. Everything was linked up, and just like somebody who knew how it sucked to try to build funnels was like, okay, here's how, let's make a nice easy way. And that's what Russell did with ClickFunnels, and it was awesome. So after getting funnels or ClickFunnels, then it was like, okay, like it's really easy to build funnels, but you need a lot of copywriting to build even just like a basic sales funnel, right? You need like sales copy for your landing page, right? To get people into your lead magnet. So even just on your landing page, what do you need? You need like a headline, maybe some bullets, maybe you've got a video on that page, maybe you've got an even bigger description underneath the fold there and it goes down the page because you've got a lot of information about the lead magnet or whatever reason you're trying to give to get them to opt in, right? So, and that's the first page of your sales funnel. You could have landing page, sales page, upsell, maybe there's 2 upsells, maybe there's 3 upsells. So quickly I found out after getting ClickFunnels, and it was like, okay, I got a lot of stuff that I think I can sell, but I need a lot of sales copy in order to power my sales funnel. So that's how I kind of got introduced to funnel scripts, and it was like just basically fill in the blanks and generate just a ton of sales copy for you. So as far as funnel scripts, I definitely give it a thumbs up. Whether you know copywriting or you don't, you can know nothing about copywriting and understand funnels and completely generate all the sales copy that you need using funnel scripts, right? It will give you an awesome starting point as far as generating sales copy. So with funnel scripts, the cool thing is you get access to funnel scripts in the console and the dashboard, and it's got all of the funnel it's kind of like funnel wizards, but there's wizards in the console, and then there's downloadable funnel wizards inside there. So you get one that's like a VSL wizard. You get a perfect webinar wizard that is freaking awesome and generates your webinar slides and outline, closes. And that's just one of the wizards inside there. Then you get one for doing like podcast interviews, generating a masterclass, VSL, I might have said that. Star Story Solution. I'm trying to remember all these on the fly here, but there's like 6, I think, downloadable wizards. There's, I don't know, like 20 or 30 actual wizards inside the dashboard. So pretty much any situation that you can need with a funnel and you need to generate copy, email subject lines, teasers, closes, headlines, just so many things. Everything that you could possibly need in there. Plus, there's a completely free copywriting course inside there that Jim Edwards, the creator of Funnel Scripts, offers, and it's totally free. It's like a 6-module course, and if you know, it will take a beginner to a very good and decent understanding of copywriting very quickly, right? And it will show you that combined with what's in Funnel Scripts. So you take what you generate with Funnel Scripts, and then after you watch that course and understand things, you can take that copy and actually have the talent and ability to go and take it and polish it and improve what comes out of Funnel Scripts straight away. So Funnel Scripts is awesome. If you want to see how to use Funnel Scripts to pay for Funnel Scripts, just go to seanbailey.com/fast track, and you can see what I'm talking about with my Funnel Scripts fast track side hustle, and I show you how to use Funnel Scripts to pay for Funnel Scripts. So thanks for watching this. Go check out Funnel Scripts. See you in the next video.